Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange, a leading crypto trading platform. And today morning I was confused. Why confused? European futures lower, US futures higher, Asian futures lower, and GIFT Nifty was higher. And then the whole market was confused in the first half an hour. It was going up, down. But then slowly the trend has set. The IT index started doing extremely well, and Parma index also did well, and ever since the Cipla result came, the Parma stocks are shooting up like anything. I think Cipla has shot up nearly 20% after the results, but Parma index weightage is very less. It's a TCS, Infosys, so they are the market leaders and their weightage is very high. But on the other hand, the banking stocks led by State Bank of India. And after the results, I think the market is not happy with the State Bank of India results, and the State Bank of India continued to fall. And except ICICI Bank, I think all other banks have fallen. Today, Nifty closed 80 points higher, but Bank Nifty closed 40 points lower. So that is the kind of underperformance. So once again, it's a mixed bag. And afternoon, European market opened and they were lower but slightly recovered. Then US futures went up, now slightly coming down. So still it's a mixed bag. So there is no clear trend. And today Mahindra & Mahindra contributed the maximum number of points for Nifty rally. So that's because there are many good news. And Mahindra said over the weekend, the maximum waiting time or maximum number of vehicles waiting is for Mahindra & Mahindra. They have something like 2.68 lakh vehicles are waiting. And for some models, the waiting time is as high as 18 months. And not only that, so they said that they will be increasing the production by 25%. Going forward. And not only that, another sweet news is that Mahindra Thar, my favorite vehicle, and is coming out with electric version. So EV vehicle is going to be launched on August 15. So you may remember, so I went to Chandigarh, took a Mahindra Thar Jeep and traveled all the way to Himachal Pradesh. I think about two years before. So Mahindra & Mahindra, everything is good, and so that supported the auto index also. And higher crude prices. Crude price, I think now it's Brent crude is more than $685. So that is helping the Reliance. So Mahindra & Mahindra did well, Reliance did well, TCS did well, Infosys did well. So the market is up. On the other hand, State Bank of India fell, Kotak Bank fell, so the banking stocks dragged the markets down. So at the end of the day, FIIs have sold for about 1,900 crores, whereas the domestic institutions have bought for about 1,100 crore. So there is a net institutional flow of minus 800 crore. But despite that, the market performance is extremely good. Now, Nifty was trading in the box 19,500 to 20,000 box. And then it went up to 20,000, very close to 20,000, and then started falling on back of this Fitch rating cut news. And because of that panic selling, Nifty came down to 19,300. And then now the markets reversed. Now the market is firmly above 19,500. So this is a panic reaction for this US rating cut. Even that time itself, many business channels were telling, last time 2011 this has happened, that happened, even before the rating cut by S&P, markets fell 10%, after that it fell another 10% and this and that. So I said that's not going to happen this time. So this time the story is different. So now the market, the sell-off induced by this Fitch rating cut, I think that seems to have been over. Now the markets are firmly above 19,500. So this makes us to believe that now the 19,500 to 20,000 box has come back to action. So we can expect Nifty to trade between 19,500 and 20,000 for the next few days. So until it prepares a ground, so that at some point of time ultimately it will be jumping to the next box, that is 20,000 to 20,500. All that depends upon the global cues and other things. And right now, so we had a decent correction, and now that correction is being bought into. So now the markets are bullish. And in fact, as I told you, I follow certain technical analysis. As per that, 19,392 is a very, very good support on a closing basis. Now it's far away from there. So in fact, some of my friends even taken a short position by looking at this technical, but that has failed this time. So looking at the open interest, the 19,500 put option has been added in huge quantities today in weekly options. So even for this week, 19,500 may be a good support. And there is hardly any change in monthly options, except some small change. There was some unwinding in 19,500 call and some addition in 19,600 call. So other than that, there is no much change. So markets are mixed. Now we have to wait for the Bank Nifty to pick up so that the markets can move higher. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.